start by me. Little bit of traction issues. He hasn't got any. But it's close. He's going to take it. Oh, that was close though. And it was just down to that little bit of added traction that he had. But once I was going, didn't really matter. There was nothing in it.
So, sorry about that. And anyway, it was pretty close. The £135,000, 609 horsepower, 6.6 litre V12 BMW covered the standing quarter mile in just 11.3 seconds. Whereas the £125,000, 612 horsepower, 4 litre V8 Mercedes took 11.5 seconds.
To negate the fact that this is two-wheel drive and that is all-wheel drive, let's have a more realistic race, the kind that you have out on the road. So cruising along 50 miles an hour in comfort mode, as you would do. You wouldn't be in sports, you wouldn't be doing it manual, you'd be in fully auto, comfort mode, cruising. Someone challenges you and you put your foot down. So you want to see how quick the gearboxes respond and how fast the engines pick up. So I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! My gearbox kicked down a bit faster. What's happening here? Oh, this is exciting. I think this Mercedes just has the legs over the BMW and it's pulling a lead. That's enough of that. Going to brake here. That is a win for the Mercedes. In terms of gearbox, this seemed to kick down a little bit quicker, but then didn't get on the power so well. But it just seemed to get a lead out over that BMW. It's such a strong engine, even though the engine in the BMW is about 50% larger in terms of capacity. AMG make brilliant engines. It's a fact.
Despite being smaller, the AMG's engine actually has 900 Newton meters of torque compared to the BMW's 800 Newton meters. And that's why, even though it faltered slightly after kickdown, it managed to pull past the BMW. So, the score is now 1-1.